Hi everybody, आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. I hope you guys are doing great. So first thing first, at 9:06 a.m. itself, I updated in the morning that looking for sell on rise opportunity. Also, I mentioned these above levels of 36,490 and 37,148. Now, why so? We are going to discuss it, and we discussed in yesterday's live as well that why we are looking for sell on rise opportunity and not sell on breakdown. Now, these are few things which you have to understand, which we are going to discuss as well, right? And we also discussed about the concept of RSI divergence, which I'm going to discuss in detail today as well. So first thing first, let's go to the charts over here, right? Let's go to Nifty Bank so you understand that in a detailed manner. So guys, this is the chart of Nifty Bank, right? If you see yesterday, we saw this big fall happening in Nifty Bank, right? And then obviously try to understand market do not move like this, right? After such big fall, we were likely to see an inside candle, and today we have seen an inside candle. Also, as per our yesterday's commentary, we were looking for sell on rise opportunity. Not just that, if you see today's opening was exactly at the CPR, and if you remember, we had marked this level of 36,490, and if you see, the market actually turned around exactly from these levels of 36,490. So if you see, the first opening candle rejection was itself at this level. Now let's move on and understand one more important aspect. Today's high, right? Where was the high made? Exactly at the levels of CPR. And today the market comes back, shows us a rejection exactly at the CPR levels, and then we see this big fall happening with a very small SL. Now I want you to check all our Instagram stories because we have explained in detail about the day high reversal setup. Also, there's a detailed video on day high reversal. So if you see, we got a very good risk to reward of almost 1:4.5, right? This is the power of reversal trade. So if you're able to master reversal trading along with some understanding of price action, you are going to be an awesome day trader. Now just make sure that you watch that video. The video is there in the most popular videos, right? How to trade reversals in Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? And now if you look at Nifty over here, so today there was a reason that I had shared the chart of Bank Nifty and not Nifty. If you see Nifty, it's very choppy, and the only stock which is taking care of Nifty is Reliance, because Reliance is right here just making these new high almost every day. Look at the yesterday's momentum and also today's momentum. So it is only it is only Reliance which is contributing to the gains which you are seeing in Nifty. So this is Nifty and Bank Nifty for you based on today's price action. Now let's understand what is the plan for tomorrow. Nifty, I'm not much interested. Let's talk about Bank Nifty as of now. Right. So Bank Nifty is very simple. It is trading inside this particular range. Right. So first thing first, what is the trend? The trend is obviously it's a downtrend, right? Trend क्या है अभी हमारे लिए? ट्रेंड हो गया हमारे लिए एक डाउन ट्रेंड, और अभी ये कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है. अगर ये ऊपर की तरफ ब्रेकआउट देता है, इफ इट गिव्स अ ब्रेकआउट ऑन द अपसाइड, we will do less quantity, and if the breakout happens on the downside, we will go full swing, right? And we can expect some really good downside momentum, because the levels, right, the left hand side of the chart is pretty much clear. So below these levels we can short, and today I am telling you that we are looking for a breakdown trade. Now understand the psychology, right? I mean, this is very simple. If you try to focus on what we are trying to do, right? Our plan for today was sell on rise, which is day high reversal. And if you see tomorrow, I'm telling you, we will look for breakout and breakdowns. You have to understand, market cannot tend to move like this all the time, and that is how I decide whether I want to sell on rise or whether I want to sell with a breakdown. I hope this particular one thing is pretty much clear. If you have understood the concept, or if you made money using the day high reversal trick, make sure that you let us know in the comment section. Now let's move forward and talk about the stocks that we have for tomorrow. The first stock on my radar is Shri Cements. Now first thing first, always look at the chart on a daily time frame. So when you look at Shri Cements on a daily time frame, what do you see? If you see, this was a very strong resistance overall. This was a cluster, right? And today we have a strong closing above all the resistance, and also the sellers over here, they seems to have been trapped. Let's do one more thing. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame and mark the levels. Now over here, what may happen tomorrow is that it may directly open with a gap up, right? It may open with a gap up. So let's just zoom in a bit and plan our levels over here. So I think as soon as it opens flat, we can look for a buying opportunity in Shri Cements. That is our view on Shri Cements. Let's go to another stock, which is Godrej Consumer Properties. So if you look at Godrej over here, let's again go to daily time frame, right? So you'll understand even better. So if you see this on a daily time frame, what do you see? The stock goes up, it retraces, and then we can now again look for a breakout opportunity. Let's go on an hourly time frame, right? And let's just mark the levels over here. Let's just zoom in right a bit, and yeah, these are the levels. I will just mark this resistance over here. So it's already given a breakout of this resistance, right? So tomorrow, as soon as, right, I'm not gonna wait for a candle closing levels above the levels of 803, 804. We can go long in Godrej Consumer Properties. Another stock on my radar is obviously UPL. Right now, again, a very interesting stock. This stock is basically a swing stock for me as of now. Right. So I'll just show you the structure which I'm seeing over here. If you see over here, this was a resistance which was taken out. Then the market again came back to this level. Again, it started to consolidate over here. And now what we are seeing is a clear breakout. Let's go on hourly time frame because this is not an intraday stock, but rather a swing stock over here. On a hourly time frame, as you can see, it has broken out this particular resistance, and now we can expect strong momentum on the upside with the stop loss as this level, which is the nearest U-turn. So this is more of a short-term trade, and you can expect strong momentum in UPL in days ahead. So with this note, we have come to the end of the video. It was a very short video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. Make sure that you like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch our video on day high reversal, which has been shared and which is there in the most popular video segment as well. So with that note, thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.